a lovely day.
Yeah, it's a totally cool day for a picnic.
Isn't that Nari over there?
Hey girls, I'll be over at the picnic as soon as I throw away this trash. I'm just gonna throw this trash right here. No big deal.
Did we just see a letter over there? Sorry, I can see the picnic.
Well, it's no big deal, really. I mean, somebody will pick it up, right? Wrong. That is so not cool. Don't you know why you shouldn't litter?
Hey, yeah, this is a job for the nature savers.
Totally. Well, what is the Nature Savers anyway?
Savers is this club where we save nature. And when you litter, animals to die.
Yeah, I mean, we all have to care about the environment. Not only can animals get hurt by litter, but their habitats can too. That can affect the whole planet. I'm sorry, guys, I didn't know. I'll go pick it up and throw it away right now.
Way to go, you're the club girl. That's what we need.
Cool, trash can. I'll just throw it right here. Now I feel like a real nature saver.
Great job, nature saver.
Thank you. Now can I have some pie?